On January 1, 1914, the first ever commercial flight crossed the Tampa Bay in Florida. From here, things went on exponentially. Approximately 23,000 commercial aircraft are in activity in 2019. The number of passengers and flights will double in the next 20 years. But who owns all those planes? Well, airlines own only 58% of the fleet, whilst the rest is owned by lessors. As the trend is for airlines to operate more and more leased fleets, in 3 years it will be 50%. So why leasing instead of owning? If ordered now, the waiting line to get a new aircraft can reach up to 8 years. And it also requires a huge amount of disposable cash. An A320 costs about 100 million, an A350 317 million, and an A380 445 million. Airline lease exists for the same reason we lease cars or subscribe to music. Convenience and flexibility. Aeronautics Fund has been set up to provide airlines with aircraft and engines for this booming market. We source the most valuable planes to buy and lease. In the market of today and ready for tomorrow.